Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Modesty33 here, aka Crystal with the C, back at you with another video. But if you're new to my channel, you just happen to click on welcome. I try to put out 1 to 2 videos a week. I try, you guys, I really do try. So I do sit downs, reviews, reactions, vlogs. So if any of that interests you, make sure you check out the prior videos on my channel. And if you see anything you like before you leave, make sure you subscribe. So today, you guys, I'm going to be doing, I'm going to say a relatively quick unboxing because I've got somewhere to be. But I wanted to film this while there's still like some daylight. So you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. So last week I was on vacation, you guys, and it was basically a staycation. So I decided to go to the mall and look at a few things. A few things. And just kind of look at some things I wanted to add to the wish list. So I did end up purchasing 2 things. One thing I purchased last week and one I just picked up on Wednesday. So I'm gonna show those to you guys. You'll see the thumbnail, so you know it's something from Fendi and also something from Chanel. Neither one are bags, so I just want to put that out there. So if you're looking for an unboxing of a bag, that's not today. Not today. Hopefully someday soon, because there is another bag that I'm eyeing. You'll probably see that in a vlog, but not today. So the first item again is from Fendi, and it was something that I originally was looking to pick up when I did get my Fendi Peekaboo Extra Light last month for essentially like my birthday and as a work bag, but I was just kind of undecided at the time. So I did go ahead and pick it up last week. I looked at it and went ahead and bit the bullet, decided to go ahead and purchase it, and I'm super happy with this purchase. So you guys, it's actually not in this bag. It's on one of my handbags right now. So I'm going to go ahead and show it to you so you can see it. So actually, I picked up one of Fendi's straps. Right now, the strap is on my Louis Vuitton Palm Springs mini backpack. But here is the strap, you guys. It is like a caramel brown and like a kind of like a dark chocolate brown. And these are like Fendi's colors, these straps right here. Again, I apologize about the lighting if it's kind of like, if you can't really see it that well because it's being washed out. But yeah, it is still online, so you can go on the Fendi website and you can look at it for yourself. But I really did like the fact that it did have these adjustments on the strap. So I do have it on the longest setting. It does fit me pretty well crossbody. And it's also really comfortable on the shoulder, so it does look very beautiful on my Fendi Peekaboo. But what I really love about this strap is it looks good on at least 3 of my bags. I know you'll probably see that in the vlog that I am going to upload. I actually used this strap for my Pochette Métis, my Empreinte one in the color Cerise, so it actually looked really good. And of course, it looks gorgeous on my Fendi Peekaboo Extra Light. I feel like it really just kind of picks up the bag. Yeah, it just adds something extra to the bag. So I did go ahead and decide to pick this one up last week. Let me show it to you really quickly on my Peekaboo. So I have my Peekaboo right next to me here. And, sorry, excuse me, you guys. I don't know why I get roped. It's congested at times. But, hopefully you guys will kind of be able to see. So this is kind of the look of the strap right here. I do have my Louis Vuitton bandeau on here, which is typically on my Palm Springs mini, but I did take it off and put it on the handle to kind of protect the handle a bit. Then I also have my Lindy's bag charm right here. But yeah, this is the strap right here. It just looks really good with this bag. It just brings it up a notch. The colors complement the bag very well. So I'm very happy with this strap, and I'm really happy that it goes with a few of my other bags as well. It is a fabric strap, so that's something to keep in mind if you're interested in it. But Fendi has a lot of gorgeous straps. I would say Fendi and Dior are really known for their straps, but I really love this one. I'm really happy about this particular purchase. So let me stand up real quick. I'll show you what it looks like with my Palm Springs mini, like on the shoulder as well as crossbody. So on the shoulder, sorry, my chair is kind of obstructing the way. This is what it looks like in crossbody. this is where it sits on me. And again, you do have, let me get a little closer. You do have these 3 adjustments here. Very easy to adjust it. You just kind of put the hook down a bit and you can put it to the 2nd one or the 3rd one, depending on how long you like it. But I feel like it sits really well crossbody with the Palm Springs Mini. So that's the first item, you guys. And I am so in love with this strap. Really happy again. Oh, sorry, excuse me, you guys. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I'm sorry, I just had to answer the door for a package. But on to the second item. That's all I wanted to say about the strap. But this is the second item that I have here, you guys. You see, it's in this pretty box, or pretty bag with the Camilla right here. Also has the ribbon tied around. So this is an item that I've never really talked about. Just because I really haven't been into, I never really thought that I was going to get something like this. Because as far as like Chanel, I do have like 4 handbags right now. And I'm pretty satisfied with my handbag collection. I don't want any other bags at this moment unless it's something spectacular. But for me, I'm good. Just because I don't really want to buy anything else at that price point at this moment in time or for a long time. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull this out, you guys, because like I said, I'm having to go as we're talking. So again, it's the pretty bag. We're gonna put that off to the side. But this is actually a part of the new collection, and here's the ribbon right here. And so when I saw it, a lot of people were talking about the new collection, the Métier d'Art. I don't know how you say it, so I do apologize. But a lot of people were talking about the new collection. And I saw this particular item and I was like, oh, it's kind of pretty. But still, I wasn't like, oh man, you know, I really want to get it. I really want to get it. But I happened to go into Chanel when I was on vacation. And I was actually looking at espadrilles and I was wanting to get size. Because I've heard a lot about espadrilles. I thought about espadrilles in the past. So that's actually what I went into the store to look at, because the Chanel espadrilles are really popular. So I did get size for espadrilles, but there weren't any that I really liked. And then I saw these. And again, they're a part of the new collection. And I was like, oh, do you have any more of these? And then the sales associate, who was very, very friendly, said that, yeah, we can order them, but you know, if you want them, let me know ASAP because they are selling out. They're very popular. So I was like, okay, well, let me think about it and I'll let you know. So I kind of like slept on it. And then the next day I woke up like thinking about this item. So you'll see right here, I just opened the box. It has like a little coat on the inside. So I woke up thinking about this particular item. And this is what it looks like when you take out, or, you know, take off the cover. Something just fell. Excuse me, guys. So this looks like, I don't know, something. We'll put that inside of the bag. So it does come with like this little booklet right here, probably care instructions for the item. And so, yeah, I did, you know, ask him about, yeah, ordering it. He said, but let him know ASAP. So I told him I would. Woke up the next morning, was thinking about this item, showed it to my mother, and, you know, I went ahead, decided that I was going to go ahead and bite the bullet and see if he could order this particular item for me. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys without further ado. So again, it's not a handbag, but we've got dust bag here and another dust bag here. So very nice Chanel dust bag. So guys, guess what it is? It is a pair of shoes because I did go in looking for shoes and I did end up coming out with some shoes. But these were ordered, I think, these were ordered and they came from actually California. So you guys, let me show you. So it is a pair of combat boots from the new collection. Let's go ahead and bring these out real quick, you guys. So this is like my first, this is a legit unboxing because this is my first time seeing them since I tried them on Wednesday. And they did, again, come from California. When I called customer service, they said that there were 2 left in this size in the country. They are 41.5. And so yes, I got the popular combat boots. Let me go ahead and take this out, and it's got the wrapping on here. It's got the beautiful detailing, you guys. I've seen like 4 or 5 unboxings of these and a lot of videos where they're kind of featuring them as well. Again, I apologize, the light is washing it out, but it is a lot of like really pretty detailing. It's got kind of like almost like a brooch detailing here. It's got 2 different leathers. One portion is calf skin, the other is goat skin. Don't ask me which is which, because I don't know, but you have like this right here, this quilting, which is kind of distressed. You have the CC detailing right here on the boot. So I'm just going to kind of turn it around, and then it has like a slight kind of heel, but they were very, very comfortable. I did have go up half a size, so that's why I did 41.5, because I did want to wear like thicker socks with this. You know, as it gets colder here in Houston. I don't know what the winters are like, but I'm still looking forward very much to wearing this boot. If you look at it in the front, it's got all this like pretty detailing where you lace up the boot here. I don't think there's anything special about the interior. It's made in Italy. You're not going to be able to see that, but it's got kind of like a little gold right there. So, and then on the bottom, very thick, solid sole. It says Chanel down here. I don't think you guys can see that. Up here, it's got another double CC. So, yeah, again, this was kind of, I don't want to say, it wasn't an impulse purchase, because I was actually looking to get a pair of Chanel shoes, but I just didn't know that they had these and I would actually be able to get these. So yeah, they did come in on Wednesday, and so that's when I picked them up. So let me just kind of fix all this stuff, you guys. But yeah, like I've really been interested in adding like more luxury and nicer shoes and statement pieces to my collection. I really want to kind of transition out of handbags, because I feel like I have pretty much like everything that I would really like and need for my collection as far as statement bags and classic bags. So I was really wanting to kind of set these up so you guys can kind of see them as I'm talking about them, but I don't think that's gonna work out. So let's see if we can do a little something. So anyway, yes. So yeah, I don't talk about prices, but they are still on the Chanel website, so you can kind of go and look at them if you're interested. Again, when I did order these in the 41.5, there were 2 left in the country, and both of them were in California. So they did transfer these particular boots from California here to Houston. Yeah, so I could go ahead and you know, get them. So again, yeah, that's not gonna work. That is absolutely not gonna work. So let me just move these to the side. Now I'll kind of again talk about them as we are here. But really just thought that, you know, these would be really nice to wear with like leggings and even like with some dresses. I actually like have a pair of Timberlands now. Well, I had a pair of Timberlands that I had for like 16 years. I really do love boots, more than just in the winter, but I do love boots in general. Ooh, excuse me, you guys. And I just thought that this would be a very nice statement piece and a nice addition to my collection. Now, the guy did say that with Chanel shoes, there is a 2-year warranty. So if something happens to them, you can bring them back and they can they will repair them for free. Outside of 2 years, there is like a cost attached or assessed to it. And I know they said that with like shoe parts, it does take a little bit longer for repair, so it might be, you know, quite a while if something is to happen to the shoe. But like if something happened to like any of this detailing, they would replace it. And I know I did ask about rain, and they said that, you know, you don't want to wear these like if it's, you know, tsunami or hurricane, anything like that. But if they do get wet, you know, you happen to be in water, you can't just like spot dry them and it'll be fine. So I'm really looking forward to wearing these some more, you guys, or well, wearing them in general. I haven't actually put them on again since I left the store. And I am going to be doing like some styling with these, so you're probably going to be seeing these a lot more, especially as we're heading into the fall. So I'm just really excited about these. I feel like this was a really, really good purchase. And I just have so many ideas of how I want to wear these. So and it's just crazy to me that I was actually able to get these because I saw them, then I decided I wanted them. And that's kind of the thing, you guys, like when you see something that's a part of a collection, you have to kind of make a quick decision about if you really want it or if you're going to pass on it, because they sell out so quickly. Like I knew when I saw this was going to be a very popular boot. I haven't even seen like really many boots from any designer houses that I've actually liked, but I feel like this boot is absolutely perfect. Now it does come in, this is the all black. It does come in like black and white as well as beige and black. I didn't like any of those, but you know, that might be your thing, so you can check on those as well if you're interested in like another color. But definitely if you have a sales associate, I would definitely reach out to them, or if you have a boutique, definitely go into the store, ask about these, ask about your size, and see if they're able to order them. So and I think the collection just came out like a few weeks ago, and already like a lot of popular items are selling out. But I do believe they do still, you are still able to kind of get these depending upon your size. Again, my size is 41.5. Didn't really show you guys the box that has like some more details. Yeah. So this is, yeah, kind of like, you know, like a shoebox basically. But if you have any questions about any of the details, like if you look on the Chanel website, they call these the lace up. So if you have any questions about these, you guys, just let me know. I'm more than happy to answer them. But I'm super excited to have these and to be amongst my fellow YouTubers who've done their unboxing. So this is mine. So very happy, and again, you guys will be seeing these a lot more. So you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and go. I have to be somewhere very soon. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video there, you guys. So if you have any questions, again, make sure you reach out to me. You guys, thank you so very much for watching, and hopefully you did enjoy this unboxing. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you do share it with anyone else who likes these type of videos, who might be interested in any of these items. Definitely share it with them. Also, make sure you comment below. Let me know what you guys think about these items. How would you style them? How would you wear them? What would you do with them? So, if you know, if you had them, or is there anything else from like the new Chanel collection that you're interested in, you might look at getting? Let me know. Comment below. And most importantly, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. You do that for, by hitting the red button below and hitting the bell next to it so you're notified when I do upload future videos. So thank you guys again so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.